Yo, what's up fellow content creators and streamers? Today I'm going to be giving back to you guys by making a Twitter header for literally anyone. It's going to be a simple and clean layout and look, and you do not need to have Photoshop. You can change the text and stuff in literally any program that you use. Also, this video is going to be a little bit different. Instead of me explaining everything in detail, I'm going to do more of a speed art type of video, and then after I finish the project I am going to explain how to change the colors and the text and everything. But before we get into that, make sure you guys drop a like in this video, subscribe down below, and turn on that little notification bell. And other than that, let's get right into it. So that's pretty much it. Here is the final Twitter header. I am going to go over how you change the names and stuff and how you can use other programs. So if you are using Photoshop, I am going to give you the PSD. The link is going to be down in the description below. And then I have it pretty much organized. So for the names, you're going to need to download a font. It's going to tell you as soon as it opens the Photoshop file. It's going to be called a Ministry of Moron. And then you just double click on the T, and then you can change the name to whatever. And then same goes for the socials. And then if you want to change the background color to something else, all you do is click on this little circle icon right here. And where it says hue under properties, you can set the hue to whatever. And then as you can see, the color changes. And now finally, if you are using a different program rather than Photoshop, I'm going to save this Twitter header as a JPEG just like this, and then you can set up your own text in different programs, and then obviously you can change the color by using hue and saturation. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please be sure to drop a like and subscribe down below, and I'll be seeing you guys later. Peace out.